Uh-oh, Phil, is that a good or a bad thing that you're underneath the Dupli-Color shop truck?
Well, do you want the good news or the bad news first?
Well, give me the good.
So this frame is nice and solid, but we have a lot of surface rust to deal with.
Okay, so that's the bad news, I guess, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, well, that's not too bad. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Brian, and welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. Phil has the truck pulled in here once again, and it sounds like we need to do a little work underneath. I mean, a lot of rust going on, but Dupli-Color Undercoating, I think, will take care of this, right?
Yep.
Okay, so what that's going to do is that's going to prolong the life of this truck because, I mean, it's 20 years old.
Yeah.
People are hanging on to the vehicles a lot longer, so that'll help prolong the life of the vehicle, give it a fresh new look, and also protect it from moisture, salty climate, and additional rust as well. So first thing we got to do is get this thing cleaned up. Get rid of some of the scaly rust, the dirt, and lay down some undercoating.
Yeah, let's get started. Let's save this thing.
All right. Before applying any of our undercoating products, a clean, dry surface is essential for proper adhesion and protection. We used a stiff wire brush and a scraper to remove any major loose rust scale. We then use a pressure washer to blast off any additional rust scale, as well as dirt and grease. Our solvent prep spray can be used to clean off any heavy, greasy areas. Once clean, let all surfaces dry completely before applying the undercoating. To apply, hold the can 12 to 16 inches from the surface and apply 2 to 3 coats in an even back and forth sweeping motion or until full coverage is achieved. Allow 10 minutes between coats and can recoat anytime. If needed, wipe away any overspray with our solvent prep spray. Allow the undercoating to dry for at least 1 hour before driving the vehicle. Dupli-Color offers a complete line of undercoating products ideal for providing protection for wheel wells, gas tanks, frames and supports, well joints, floor pans, doors, and quarter panels. Dupli-Color's range of undercoatings offers economical protection, plus moisture and corrosion resistance, and a durable rubberized finish. Our UC102 Professional Undercoat with Sound Eliminator, which we are using on this job, is a high build formula that provides superior protection, as previously noted, and helps reduce road noise. Phil, how are things going underneath there?
I just wrapped up this side, but take a closer look. I think we're good.
Oh yeah, things are looking all nice and black, no more rust, and looking new, really. Looking good. And you know, something with undercoating, we're driving this truck year-round, through the rain, through the snow. We live in a cold climate, so this truck has a lot of things going on as far as the elements go. The undercoating is going to stop that moisture from attacking that rust that was already there. So Phil prepped it so we're not trapping any moisture and giving it a good, clean finish underneath there. And this is something that you can do at home in your garage with an old vehicle like this and add years to its life. This truck is 20 years old and we want to add more to it and keep it around as our shop truck. So, you know, like we said, it took Phil a good couple of hours here in the weekend, and this is something that you could handle at home in your garage and be the boss of your own project. Now, if you want to find out more about the products we used in this job here and more products from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.